Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in some of our vehicle-specific gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series dashboard panel gauge package for the 73 to 87 Chevrolet C10. In this particular package, you're going to get a fuel level gauge, a water temperature gauge, a volt gauge, an oil pressure gauge, a speedometer, and a tachometer, all featuring a white face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm fuel level gauge, water temperature gauge, volt gauge, oil pressure gauge, and a 3 3/4 tachometer and speedometer, all with color change buttons on the front. Also included in the packaging, a sensor and power harness, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a temperature sensor with bullet style connectors, full color installation instructions, a pressure sensor, a 7-color shift light, a fine-tuning adjustment tool for your speedometer, mounting brackets and hardware, gauge visors for sun glare, and a replacement 6-gauge cluster dashboard panel with AC block-off plates and hardware. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions or if you need any additional installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.